Hey guys, I'm back again with one more question from the lesson Some Basic Concepts of Chemistry, which had appeared in NET 2020. Which of the following has maximum number of atoms? 1 gram of silver solid, 1 gram of magnesium solid, 1 gram of oxygen in gas phase, 1 gram of lithium in solid. The atomic masses of all these species is given in the question. Now, what we are going to use is the standard relationship, that is the standard mass, molar mass of silver is 108. So 108 grams of silver corresponds to the standard number, that is Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of silver, since silver is in monoatomic state. Now, the number Avogadro's, that is the Avogadro's number is the same. So instead of writing 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 every time, what we will do is we'll simply write it as Na, right? Now, the mass given in the question for silver is 1 gram. So we'll write, therefore, 1 gram of silver corresponds to question mark. So we get atoms of silver is equal to 1 into Avogadro's number divided by 108. Now let's go on for the next species, that is magnesium. We are going to use the same concept. Standard mass, that's molar mass of magnesium, 24 grams of magnesium corresponds to the Avogadro's number of atoms of magnesium, since magnesium is a metal and that is also in monoatomic state. Therefore, 1 gram of magnesium, Mg, would correspond to a question mark. So, atoms of magnesium would be equal to 1 into Avogadro's number divided by 24. Now, let's go to the third option, that was oxygen gas. Now, for oxygen gas, it is a diatomic species. So, we need the molar mass of oxygen, which is found out as 2 atoms of oxygen multiplied by the atomic mass. So, we get 32 gram mole inverse. So, we say 32 grams of oxygen corresponds to Avogadro's number of atoms of oxygen. Wait, it should not be Avogadro's number of atoms, it should be actually Avogadro's molecules of O2, since, as I said, oxygen is in diatomic state. If we want to write this in terms of atoms, what we need to do is multiply here by 2, since one molecule of oxygen contains 2 atoms of oxygen. So we can write it as 2 into Na atoms of O2. Therefore, 1 gram of O2 will correspond to a question mark. So atoms of oxygen would be equal to 1 into twice of Na divided by 32. And we get it as Na upon 16. Now let's go for the last option, that is lithium. Now, lithium, the atomic mass, or we can say the molar mass, is 7. So 7 grams of lithium corresponds to Na atoms of lithium. Lithium being a metal, it is also in monoatomic state. Therefore, 1 gram of lithium corresponds to question mark. So atoms of lithium would be 1 into Na divided by 7. Now, let's compare for all the 4 options. The first one was silver, second was magnesium, the third one was oxygen, and the last one was lithium. So for silver, we got it as Na upon 108, magnesium was Na upon 24, oxygen was Na upon 16, and lithium we got it as Na upon 7. So from the four answers what we have got, it's very clear that lithium Na by 7 is having maximum number of atoms. So the answer to our option, so the answer to our question is 1 gram of lithium. Hope you have understood the question. Thank you for watching my channel.